Hello and welcome to my channel, Yoga with May. I'm May and thank you for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Warrior One. So please make sure that you have a mat or a surface that is not slippery. It's a very grounding pose, so you need to be stable in your feet and in your legs. We're going to come to the front edge of our mat. We're going to stand hip distance apart. Soft shoulders, soft knees, hands to heart center. You're gently going to bend your knees. And we're going to take a step back with the right foot. Not too wide, about 1 meter between your feet. The back foot, the heel is going to point towards the center of your mat, and your toes are going to point 45 degrees towards the front. You're going to bend into the knee that is in front, and you're going to make sure that the knee doesn't collapse towards the center, but rather pulls out towards the edge of your mat. Try to get the knee to align on top of your ankle and make sure that you can see your big toe reaching in front of you. And then the hips are going to tilt and rotate towards the front. You'll feel a stretch running down into your heel as you ground your back heel into the floor. And you'll feel the stability being built around your legs, glutes, quads, knees, ankles. And then you're going to raise your hands up and face forward. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the nose. And you can add an affirmation here. I'm strong and grounded as I focus forward towards my goals. I'm strong and grounded as I focus forward towards my goals. And then you're going to bring your hands down to heart center and prepare to step forward. We'll go over onto the other side, because what you do on one side, we always do on the other side. So standing at the front edge of your mat, feet hip distance apart, hands to heart center, soft knees. We're going to step forward, we're going to step back with the left foot. Again, shallow stance. So the back foot is angling heel to the center, toes pointing 45 degrees to the side. We're going to pivot our hips so that we're facing forward in our stance. And we're going to soften into the right knee so that our hips are coming lower towards the ground. Reach the arms forward and up, opening up the chest, getting lots of oxygen and increasing our oxygen uptake. Take a deep breath in, reach your fingertips into the sky and sink your hips down towards the ground, feeling that beautiful stretch running down your calf muscle and feeling the stability and the focus being created here as you gaze forward into the future towards your goals, helping you to strive towards your goals. One more deep breath in. I'm strong in my stance. I look towards my goals and my future. Hands to heart center, bend your knees and step forward. I love all the warrior poses because it literally embodies your inner warrior. Warrior One is here to help you to build stamina, strength, and resilience, helping to open up the hip flexors where a lot of emotions are stored. It's helping you to create mental focus and awareness. Thank you so much for joining me here in Warrior One pose. My next video is Warrior Two pose, so I hope that you will enjoy that and ignite your inner warrior. My name is Maylene and this is Yoga with May.